Hi there, it's Jason Gorman from Codemanship. I train and mentor software teams. Of all the beliefs about software development, one of the most damaging and sadly also one of the most widespread is the notion that software can be done. The design's done, the code's done, the testing's done. We do the job and then pour ourselves a large gin and tonic, satisfied that there'll be no more doing required and we can have a nice long rest. How this belief hurts us is that it can encourage teams to pull out all the stops to get to the promised land of done, that first release. But there is no such place, and no prospect of that long rest while the software is still being used. Instead of pacing ourselves for a marathon, we burn ourselves out starting at a mad dash. What can be especially harmful is when management drinks the Kool-Aid and decides that now the design is done, we no longer need the designer, or that now the programming's done, we no longer need the programmers, and so on. So every new iteration of the software starts with months of trying to get the band back together. The knowledge and experience and the chemistry that the team has built is lost, along with the rationales for many of their decisions. A new team faced with hundreds of thousands of lines of code they didn't write will often push for a complete rewrite because they don't know why the code is the way it is. In my career, I've witnessed many examples of new teams doing bottom up rewrites only to eventually arrive at pretty much the original solution. Consider what the customer could have had if they'd just retained the original team, who could have then just carried on. The endpoint in software development is the end of that product or system, the end of the software. And jobs like design, programming, testing, and release are continuous activities that we'll need to keep doing throughout the software's lifetime. We are never done mowing the lawn. As long as there's a lawn, we'll need to keep on mowing it.